My name is Manan, and today I will be showing you the internal reports under the Outcomes section of this Techsim simulation. So, first thing we're going to do is go to the navigation on the left-hand side and click on Internal Reports. And under that, we have Balance Sheet, which we'll click on. And here you can see that Balance Sheet is actually also available under Public Reports, so it's actually the same. The only difference is this is the balance sheet only for this specific team that I'm currently signed into. So for this, it shows the balance sheet for each round, which is each year. So we have balance sheet for 2016, 17, 18, 19, and 20. And it shows the same things as before that we saw in the public reports, which is the assets, the liabilities, and the equity. And then next we have income statement, which we also saw under the public reports. So here we can see the same things that we saw. Like I said before, it is for each round, so we can see the changes in each year. The next thing we'll look at is cash flow statement. And this was not actually available under the public reports. So here we can see the beginning cash all the way down to the ending cash, and it shows a lot of ways that the cash has changed, including things like depreciation, debt, income tax, expenditures, stocks. So a lot of ways that you see some negative values and some positive values, which have resulted in the changing of money over the years. The next thing we'll look at is R&D. So first we have a graph for the Power V development for the large size. And here you can see how the progress has changed over the years. And we can switch and look at this table as well instead of the chart. And then here it shows the feature index that we also saw under the public reports, but this is for this specific team, so it is also just a little bit different. It's the one we saw before was averaged. And then here we can see the product improvement, the features. You can see the change in the different sizes and the different products. And here we can see process improvement for the same thing, different sizes of the different products. And here we can check to see the tables for both of them. But I think the chart is easier to view it in. So next we'll look at manufacturing. So here we can see the capacity by technology in thousands of units per month. So you can see it makes sense that the standard power pace has the highest capacity, and then the higher scale power Q, and then the more future technological product power V is near the bottom. And here again we can switch to table. And then we have scrap, the scrap produced throughout the years in each round, in millions of dollars. And then here we can look at the comparison of sales and backlog. And we have actual sales versus sales order backlog in thousands of units. And then here we can see the sales order backlog by size. And then here we can see it by technology. And then here we can see the total. And the next is the inventory, where we can see it by size, by the technology, each version, and then the total. Next is the total shipments, same thing by size or product, by technology or version, and then the total. And then last we have the manufacturing summary report. It shows everything from the capacity, the comparison of the sales and backlogs, scrap produced, sales order backlog, inventory, so all the stuff we just looked at. So next we'll be looking at channel development. So here we're looking at the channel presence. We have the general merchandise percentage and then the specialty percentage for each product. Then we have the discount percentage. And we'll look at brand recognition. So this is measured as percentage of households who view brand favorably. And that has stayed the same. And then technological awareness, or technology awareness. Next we have pricing. So we can see the pricing for each product. We were able to see this under public reports as well. And here we have a table for each variation. We have power base for medium and large, power Q, medium and large, and then power V, medium and large. Next thing we have is human resource, where we can view employee satisfaction. And then we have turnover rate by percentage per year. We have skill level, employer productivity, and then last but not least, we have key performance indicators, where we can see revenue growth, gross profit margin, return on assets, earning per share, stock price, and overall market share.